an emerging kickboxer from Southeast DC, creeps out of his father's shadow to build his own legacy in the ring.
My dad was a martial artist. He did mostly like Kempo, karate, and boxing, and he also taught too. And I used to mimic all the moves that I would see. I don't know, all of a sudden, it was like, I'm in here working out, but I need to test myself. So it's like, oh, how about I just try to fight, you know?
After finding a home at DC's premier MMA academy, Markel sets off on an instinctual path to greatness.
Found Beta Academy. It was my first school, and I fell in love with it, you know, on the first day, and I've been training here ever since.
Fighting shoulder to shoulder with world champions, Markel prepares to show off his unique style of fighting to the fans.
Sometimes I'm just there, just come on, let's do it. I'm in here, I'm just gonna just do it until I can't do it no more.
There's a bright future for the DC native. Follow along as he fights to become king of the city.